everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Math with Priya. Today we are going to solve a pair of linear equations by substitution method. So the two equations given are 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and I am going to mark this equation as 1. The next equation is x plus y is equal to 5 and I am going to mark this as 2. In order to solve these two equations and to find the values of x and y, the first step to remember is we need to express one variable in terms of other variable. You can choose any variable. Okay, you can express x in terms of y or y in terms of x. It is easy to express the second equation since the coefficient of x and y is 1. So I'm going to choose the second equation and I'm going to express x in terms of y. So what I'm going to do, keep x on one side, transpose y to the other side. So already 5 is there, write it. And if plus y transpose to the other side becomes minus y. So what I did now, I express one variable in terms of other variable. That is your first step. After expressing, now I have to substitute this x in the first equation. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This is my first equation. So now x takes the value 5 minus y. So it is 2 times of 5 minus y. Ensure to enclose the values inside the bracket as there are two terms. Plus 3y is equal to 12. Now evaluate the bracket. So you know how to evaluate, isn't it? 2 times of 5 is 10 and 2 times of y is 2y and the sign is plus minus is minus. So what we are going to do now? Now we are going to solve for y, isn't it? So 10 minus 2y plus 3y is plus y is equal to 12. So now transpose 10 to the other side. So it becomes plus 10 transpose to the other side becomes minus 10. So y gets the value 2. Now, after getting y, how will you find x? So now I know the value for y is 2. I have to plug in the value of y in any of the two equations. So again, as second equation is very simpler, as the coefficient is for x and y is 1, I am choosing the second equation. So plug in the values for y and then get the values for x. Transpose 2 to the other side. So you will get 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So by this way, I can solve the linear equation and get the values for x and y. In order to check whether my solution is right or wrong, I can go for checking. So choose any of the equations. Since I have chosen a second equation so many times, let me go for the first. 3y is equal to 12. Now substitute or plug in the values of x and y. So x is 3 and y is 2 is equal to 12. So 3 times of 2 is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So after substituting the values of x and y, if the left hand side is equal to right hand side, then the values for x and y is perfectly correct. This way we can ensure that the values are right or wrong. In my next video, we will solve much difficult sum. Thank you. Bye.